Okay, hi everyone, welcome to this month's empty. I'm so excited to show you what I have in this month's empty. If you want to know how I got my hair like this and the product that I use, I made the product myself. If you want to know, yeah, so click that link that just popped up. Okay, so yeah, we have, no, we don't have Bath and Body Works. This is just my little bag that I keep all my products. In the month of September, can you imagine? September is already gone. Yes, we're in October. One of my favorite months because it's cool, the weather is nice and cool. But let's get started. I'm just gonna, you know how I do it. I just dig in the bag and I just show you what we emptied. And I'm telling you, I'm excited. I'm very excited about these empties because I don't know, I'm just really excited. Okay, a couple of things. So the first thing that we finished, one of the things that we finished is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen Restore Shampoo. Now, this shampoo is very good for cleansing your hair. It clarifies your hair really well. So for us, this works as a clarifier. We use it to like clean the slate, so it's good. If you don't have this, what you can do is that you can make my DIY aloe shampoo, which softens your hair, but you can use black soap. So instead of using Castile soap for that recipe, which I'll pop up here, you can use black soap. Okay, now I'm going to be putting links of all the products that I'm showing you down in the description area, and if I have recipes that you can make to kind of mimic the same similar, you know, kind of like bougie on the chip or something, I don't know, I'll put it in the description area of this video. So next, we also finished VO5. You all know that VO5 is what my daughters love to detangle their hair. I think this might be the last time we'll buy it. I don't know. My daughters just love VO5, and we always get the extra body with collagen. The others don't have as much slip as we wish they had. Next, we also finished Cream of Nature Pure Honey. This Cream of Nature Pure Honey works really good as a moisturizer, as a twisting cream. We've bought so many of this over time and it's very affordable. So yeah, so they work really well and they help with moisture. If you're struggling with moisture and you want something cheap, it's not all natural, but if you want something cheap or this works really, really well. So next, I think I have, yeah. Next, I finished collagen. You guys know I take collagen. So this is one of the ones that I take. This one you can get on Amazon. I also take the Nutrizin. But this one also, I like it. I always buy it. And collagen is very good. It strengthens your hair. It helps against, you know, wrinkles and stretch mark. I don't know stretch mark, but it's really good. It's good for your skin, your hair, your nails, and your joints. And so I always finish one per month, so you'll probably be expecting to see another one soon. So next, I'm going to show you, we finished the NHCG Trichology Hair Lemonade. 2 of it. This is a refresher spray and is a good moisturizer. This is actually from my hairstylist line. She has a product line, and this spray is what she sells them, and they're very, very moisturizing. This one, that's why we have 2. I have another bottle that I bought, so I still have another one that I bought. It's very good refresher. And yeah, so next we also finished, I finished the Elderberry. This is my iron supplement, the Elderberry, and I did give it to my daughters also. This Elderberry supplement, it actually helps boost your immune. So if you're someone that you're having like, you get sick all the time, and during this season that people are getting sick, we took this a day. So it really is good. Am I gonna repurchase it? Yes, probably, because we didn't get sick at all. I mean, at all. So next, the last thing is something that we actually didn't finish, and we're not going to finish it. This is the Lusty Olive Oil Styling Gel. This is $1, and my daughter did a review with it. She wasn't too happy about it, and for us now, I created this gel that's been working really well on our hair. And this gel that I created, if you look at it, it has absolutely no frizz and stuff. So yeah, no frizz. It keeps my hair is very moisturized, very, very soft. You guys can see. And I absolutely really love it. So that's why we're not finishing this. This is how much of it we used. So we used up to half of the container. The smell is very perfumey. So that is my empties. I hope you guys enjoyed this empties. I know it wasn't long. Lately I've been hating long videos. I'm so sorry. But thank you everyone. If you've not yet subscribed, please feel free to click the subscribe button. And guess what? I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, now before you go, you want to click on that. And you want to click on that. And can you subscribe? Can you subscribe right there?